Hello, I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota estate planning attorney. A family with a son or daughter that is dealing with autism, Down syndrome, Asperger's syndrome, or other special needs faces an enormous challenge for the care and support of the child. Now, proper care can be both expensive and time-consuming. So, what happens to the child when you, the parent, passes away or becomes incapacitated? Let's face it, you and I will be disabled sometime in our lives, whether it's the last 10 minutes of our life or the last 10 years. When that happens to you, who will care for your child then? What's more, chances are that your child will continue to live for some time after you have passed away. Who will care for the child then? How can you be sure that the person who takes charge of your special needs child truly understands your son or daughter's unique needs and abilities? What's more, how can you be sure that your child will continue to enjoy the quality of life that you want for him or her? Another question, how can you provide for your child's future rather than leaving it up to a court or social worker to make those important decisions? Again, how can you be sure that your child's share of the family assets will not be wasted by the child's perhaps immature choices or stolen by a dishonest caretaker? Will the assets you pass on to your child cause him or her to become disqualified for Social Security or other public benefits to which the child may otherwise be entitled? The answer to these questions is a difficult one, and often the best response is a special needs trust. A special needs trust allows you to choose a trusted family member or other person to manage the funds you leave for your child. The trust can provide for the unique needs that your child has throughout the rest of his or her life. Your child probably does not have the experience and never will perhaps have the maturity to make wise decisions for himself or herself. A special needs trust can create a team that will protect the child and direct those important financial and life decisions. It's true that a special needs trust is not a perfect fit for every family. That's why it's important that you take the time now, while you and your spouse are able to evaluate the different options and put them into place to protect your family down the road. I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota estate planning attorney. If you have a special needs child and would like to protect him or her when you become disabled or pass away, I can help. Call me at 952-921-5818 for a free, no obligation consultation. Thank you, and have a good day.